Jungorilla. Hello everyone, welcome to my class. I'm your Korean instructor, Jungorilla, Jung. Before getting in, I would like to say Happy New Year. I hope you could have a very lovely start of the new year. Cheers everybody. I'm sorry. Okay, apart from welcoming our new year, did you review what we learned in the previous class? I'm sorry. Okay, then let's figure out how well you understand the previous class. Are you ready? Okay, we learned particles for time adverbs, right? If you want to say, I played soccer in the evening. Evening is 저녁 in Korean. In this case, what do we have to say? Good. 나는 저녁에 축구를 했다. Good. And second, if you want to say, before he came, I played soccer. What do you have to say? Good. 그가 오기 전에 나는 축구를 했다. Very good, very good. And the last, if you want to say, I played soccer from 3 till 5 o'clock. What do you have to say? Good. 나는 3시부터 5시까지 축구를 했다. Very good, very good. Well done. Even if you didn't get a good score, that was also okay. Just practice and don't give up, okay? Good. Now, let's cover another particle. Let's go. If you get satisfied with my video, please subscribe and click like. Thank you. Okay, you can see two sentences, right? 나는 학교에 있어요. 나는 있어요. I am 학교에 in my school. And 나는 학교에서 축구를 했어요. 나는 축구를 했어요 is I played soccer. In my school is 학교에서. You can see them, right? Good. So, 에 and 에서 can be used like in. You can follow me, right? Today, we are going to learn postpositional particles for making adverbs related to place and direction. Then, let's get started. Okay, to begin with, let us take a look at 에 first, okay? We already learned 에 used for making time adverbs, right? However, it is also used for making adverbs related to location, okay? For example, 나는 있었어요. 나는 있었어요 is I was. Then you have to put some place adverbs, right? So that is 학교에. What is 학교에? In my school. So 학교 plus 에. 학교에. That is in my school. Okay? And the second, 나는 있었어요. Where? 병원에. 병원 plus 에. 병원에. Then what is 병원? 병원 is hospital. Hospital. So in hospital is 병원에. 병원에. You can understand me, right? Good. It is easy part. So A can be used for location, which means we can use it combined with location nouns. Let's take a look at second part. These are location nouns, okay? 안, inside, 밖, outside, 옆, side actually, 위, up, 아래, down, okay? These are nouns. And if you just put 에 right behind these nouns, you can make some location adverbs. So, 안 plus 에, 안에. 안에 is in or inside. 밖 plus 에, 밖에. 밖에 is outside. And 옆 plus 에, 옆에. 옆에 is next to or by. 위 plus 에, 위에. Then on or over. like that. And 아래 plus 에, 아래에 is under or beneath. Okay? So for example, if you want to say 상자 안에 공이 있어요. 상자 is a box. A box is 상자. And 공 is a ball. And 있어요 is there is. So there is a ball. There is a ball. Where? 상자 안에. 상자 안에. This is 안에. Okay? 상자 안에 공이 있어요. And the second part. 상자 밖에 공이 있어요. Where is 밖에? Yes. 상자 밖에 공이 있어요. Right? So outside. And the next sentence. 상자 옆에 공이 있어요. Where is 옆에? Yes. Next to or by, right? That is 옆에. Okay? And the next sentence. 상자 위에 공이 있어요. Where is 위에? Here, right? 위에 공이 있어요. And the last thing. 상자 아래에 공이 있어요. Where is 아래에? Here. 상자 아래에 공이 있어요. You can understand me, right? Good. Now, let's move to another particle. The next particle is 에서. 에서. 에서 is also used for location, but it also means that there is some action going in the place. Okay? So, it is mostly used with verbs related to action. Okay? For example, 나는 공부해요. 공부해요 is study, right? So it is kind of action. I study. Where? 서울에서. 서울에서. Okay? So, because of 공부해요, some action, right? You have to put 에서 right behind 서울. Okay? So, 나는 서울에서 공부해요. 공부해요. Okay? And the next sentence, 나는 서울에서 살아요. 살아요 is 살다. The base form is 살다. 살다 is actually to live. Okay? To live. L-I-V-E, to live. Well, you can also say 서울에 살아요. Okay? But what is the difference between 서울에 살아요 and 서울에서 살아요? Actually, when you try to mean living your life, it is kind of action, right? Everything is included, like study, work, or anything, okay? In that case, you have to put 에서 right behind place name, okay? 나는 서울에서 살아요. You can understand me, right? Good. And the next sentence, 나는 운동해요. 운동해요 is exercise or workout, okay? So action, right? Where? 헬스장에서. So you have to put 에서. Then what is 헬스장? 헬스장 is a fitness club, okay? So 나는 헬스장에서 운동해요. And the last sentence, 나는 병원에서 or 병원 안에서 영수를 만났어요. So 만나다 is meet, to meet, and 만났어요 is past tense, right? So that is also action. So you have to put 에서. You can follow me, right? Okay. Now let's move to particles for direction. Okay. To begin with, let's just take a look at blah blah 으로 or blah blah로 and blah blah 에. Wow. So blah blah 에 has a lot of meanings, right? So blah blah 으로 or blah blah로 and blah blah 에. These particles mean towards or to in English, okay? For example, 나는 학교로 가요. 학교 is school, right? 학교로 가요. Why로, not 으로? Because there is no 받침 in 학교, okay? Especially 교, okay? So, when there is no 받침, you have to put 로. But when there is a 받침, then you have to say 으로, okay? So, 나는 학교로 가요. 나는 학교로 가요. 학교로 가요. Okay? And 나는 집으로 가요. Then 나는 집으로 가요. 집으로 가요. And you can also say 나는 학교에 가요. 학교에 가요. So 에 is also used instead of 으로. Okay? Good. And the second part, blah blah 에서. So blah blah 에서 has a different meaning as well, right? So 에서 means from in this case. For example, 나는 서울에서 출발해요. 출발해요 is to leave. L-E-A-V-E. 나는 서울에서 출발해요. Then, what is that? Yeah, 서울에서 출발해요. So, from Seoul is 서울에서. You can understand me, right? So, I leave from Seoul. That is, 나는 서울에서 출발해요. In the second sentence, 나는 미국에서 왔어요. 왔어요 is a past tense of 오다. Okay, 오다. So it is like I came. I came where? From 미국 is America. So from America. Okay, so 나는 미국에서 왔어요. I came from America. In the next sentence, 서울에서 부산까지. So from till or from to 서울에서 부산까지 갔어요. 갔어요 is the past tense, right? 갔어요 is past tense form of 가다, right? 가요. So 갔어요. I went where? From Seoul to Busan. 서울에서 부산까지. 서울에서 부산까지. Or you can say 서울에서 부산으로. 부산으로 갔어요. So from Seoul to Busan. You can understand me, right? Good. You have to memorize all the particles, right? Okay. And let's take a look at more, okay? Okay, we already learned 안, 밖, 옆, 위, 아래, right? When you just put 으로 right behind these nouns, then you can make some direction adverbs, okay? First, 안으로. So, 안으로. There's a 받침, right? So, 안으로. Or you can say 안에, right? 안에. And 밖으로 or 밖에, 옆으로, 옆에, 위로, 위에, 아래로, 아래에, like that. But when you try to emphasize the direction, in that case, I think you should say 으로 or 로, okay? For example, the first sentence, the subject is omitted, but we just put 나는 in front, okay? So, 나는 안으로 들어갔다. What is 안으로 들어갔다? 들어갔다 is like this, okay? Enter like that, or get in like that. That is 안으로 들어갔다. 들어갔다 is 들어갔다 is past tense, so got in or entered like that. And the second sentence, 밖으로 나갔다. 나는 밖으로 나갔다. What is 밖으로 나갔다? 나가다 is get out. Okay? Get out. So, 나는 밖으로 나갔다. I got out of blah blah. Okay? I got out of blah blah. You can understand me, right? Good. And 옆으로 갔다. What is 옆으로 갔다? Here. 옆으로 갔다. 옆으로 갔다. Okay? 가다 is just to go. And 아래로 내려갔다. What is 아래로 내려갔다? 내려가다 is go down. Okay? So what is 아래로 내려갔다? Here. 아래로 내려갔다. Okay? 아래로 내려갔다. Then what is 위로 올라갔다? 위로 올라갔다 is here. 위로 올라갔다. You can follow me, right? Good. So 위로 올라갔다 is go up. Okay? So went up. So 안으로 들어갔다. I got in. And 밖으로 나갔다. I got out of the building or like that. 옆으로 갔다. I went next to blah blah like that. And 아래로 내려갔다. I went down. 위로 올라갔다. I went up. Okay? Good. Then let's wrap it up. Today, we learned particles for making adverbs related to place and direction, right? So first, if you want to say there is a ball in a box, inside a box, what do we have to say? Good. 상자 안에 공이 있어요. Like that. And the second, if you want to say he met me at his office, what do you have to say? 그는 그의 사무실, yes, 사무실에서 나를 만났다. And the last thing, If you want to say, I go to church, what do you have to say? Good. 나는 교회로 가요. Or 나는 교회에 가요. You can understand me, right? Good. Well done. I hope you could follow my class today. In the next class, we're going to learn nouns. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye-bye.